Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Monday CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unlink or remove your Gmail from your Monday CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink your Gmail from Monday CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know, it's pretty common to switch over to maybe a new email, or maybe you connected the wrong email to your Monday CRM. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Monday CRM dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Monday CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to unlink or remove a Gmail account, here on the top right, you're going to click on your initials. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on email settings. Once you do that, you're going to see another menu here on the left. You want to click here on account setup and privacy. Once you've done that, you're going to see your Gmail accounts that you've connected to your Monday CRM right here. You can see I just have this one. And in order to disconnect it or remove it, off to the right here, you're going to see these three dots. Click on there. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on remove account. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes, and as you can see, my Gmail has now been removed, so I'm not able to send emails from my Monday CRM using that particular Gmail any longer. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to disconnect or remove a Gmail account from your Monday CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.